compound interest and what is annuity? Let's start with compound interest first. So the introduction of compound interest. Compound interest is based on principal amount, that is P, which change from time to time. Interest earned in compounded or converted into principal and earned interest thereafter. Compound interest can be thought as interest on interest and will make the sum grow at faster rate than simple interest, which is calculated only on the principal amount.
Next, methodology of compound interest. The formula is S equal to P bracket 1 plus I the power of N. And the second one, I equal to S minus P. P stands for original principal, S is future value or maturity value, M is frequency of conversion, N is number of interest period, which is the formula are N equal to MT. Capital I is interest amount and the small capital I is interest rate each interest period. The formula is I equal to K per M. K is annual nominal rate, which is annual, semi-annual, quarterly, and monthly.
My name is Aiman from J4BA1171G. Today I want to explain to you about compound interest. Question 1, Part A, Set B. So firstly, you must find the keyword from the question. From this question, you must find P, K, M, and T. So after you find this, you must find I equal to K over M and M multiply T. So you can see I get 11 over 800 for I and 20 for K. So after that, you just plug in into formula that given. So the future value is S equal to 15,000 in bracket 1 plus 11 over 500 and the power of 20. So the answer is 19,711. To find interest earned, you must use I minus P. So after you insert the I and P into formula, the final answer is 4,711. Thank you.
Question number 2. So in order to find the initial investment of Y, we need to use S equals P in bracket 1 plus I the power of N. And then we plug in the value of S, I, and N. So 12,480.19 equals Y in bracket 1 plus 0.065 over 6 to the power of 48. And then we need to divide 12,480.15 with in bracket 1 plus 0.065 over 6 to the power of 48. And we get Y equals RM 7,440.48.
First, for CIDB Bank, we know I is equal 0.0425 over 4, while N equal 20. For compound interest, we use S equal P in bracket 1 plus I to the power of N. So we just convert the value of P, I, and N, which is S equal 12,000 in bracket 1 plus 0.0425 over 4 to the power of 5 in bracket 4. So S equal 12,000 in bracket 1.010625 to the power of 20, and the answer is S equal RM 14,824.57. And then for interest earned, we use formula capital I equal S minus P. Capital I equal 14,824.57 minus 12,000, and the answer is RM 2,824.57. Next, for MMB Bank, we also get I equals 0.043 over 12, and we just use similar compound interest formula and convert the value of P, I, and N. So S equal 12,000 in bracket 1 plus 0.043 over 12 to the power of 5 in bracket 12. S will equal to 12,000 in bracket 1.00358 to the power of 60, and the answer is RM 14,872.63, while the interest earned for MMB Bank, which is capital I, is equal to 14,872.63 minus 12,000, and the answer is RM 2,872.63. Therefore, from the comparison of both banks, Vivian should choose MMB banks because the interest earned is higher than CIDB Bank and is more profitable. Introduction of annuity. What is annuity? Annuity is a concept enable people to plan for the future in terms of investment and saving. For example, financial consultants use annuity calculation to advise the client on investment. Next, annuity is a series of equal payments made over a set period of time. Equal payments are deposited or paid periodically over time. For example, shop rental, insurance policy, annual dividend, as well as installment payment. Methodology of annuity. We should know the important terms of S, A, I, as well as N, where S is future value of annuity, A is the present value of annuity, R is the amount of periodic payment, N is the number of interest period, I is the interest rate per interest period. So there are 4 formulas that we need to know. First is future value is S equal R open bracket 1 plus I to the power of N. minus 1 over I, close bracket. And for the interest amount, I equal S minus R in bracket N. Second one is present value formula, which is A equal R open bracket 1 minus 1 plus I to the power of negative N over I, close bracket. And interest amount I equal R in bracket N minus A. The other two is late payment formula and advance payment formula, which is for late payment, the formula is sum of n term as n equal R open bracket 1 plus I to the power of n minus 1 over I. And for advance payment is an equal R open bracket 1 minus 1 plus I to the power of negative n over I, close bracket.
For part B, question 1, Naira took a loan to purchase a new Maui car. The bank charges an interest rate of 3.8% compounded monthly. She will repay the loan with the monthly payment of RM845 over a period of 5 years. Calculate the total amount that she actually needs to pay back to the bank. So, let's bring out the information given. K equal to 38%, T equal to 5 years, M equal to 12, R equal to 845, I equal to 0.038 over 12, and we will get 19 over 6,000. And n equal to 12 times 5, n will be 16. And then fill in the value into the formula, which is S equal to R bracket 1 plus I the power of n minus 1 over I. So S equal to 845 bracket 1 19 over 6,000 the power of 16 minus 1 over 19 per 6,000. And then we will get the final answer RM55,739 and 75 cents.
Next, question number 2. Note about a Toyota Yaris for RM91,600 with a 0% down payment. He took a car loan for 7 years at an interest rate of 3.65% compounded monthly. Calculate his monthly payment for the loan. So to find his monthly payment for the loan, which is R, we need to use present value A equal R open bracket 1 minus in bracket 1 plus I to the power of negative n over I, close bracket. Then we just convert the value of A, I as well as n. So A equal 91,600, I equals 0.0365 over 12, which also equal to 73 over 24,000, and n equal to 84. Then after we solve the problem in the bracket, we will get 91,600 equal R in bracket 74.0286. To find R, we need to divide 91,600 with 74.0286, and the final answer we will get is RM 1,237.36.
For this question, you must find down payment K, R, M, and A. So after that, you must search for I and N. So for I, the amount was 103 over 30,000 and N for 360. After that, you just plug in into the formula, which is R equal in bracket 1 plus I the power of N minus 1 divided by I. So for the special case, the late payment was 3, and just plug in into formula S3 equal to 1,321 ringgit 55 cent in bracket 1 plus 0.0412 over 12, the power of 3 minus 1 divided by 0.0412 over 12. So the final answer was 3,978 ringgit 28 cent. So for question 3, Roman 2, after Fauzana paying 315 monthly payment, if Fauzana want to settle the balance, we must use two formula. First one, which is N unpaid equal to N total minus N paid. So 316 minus 315 equal to 10. So if N unpaid equal to 10, then the amount to be settled must use formula AN equal to R in bracket 1 minus in bracket 1 plus I minus the power of N and divided by I. So just plug in into formula A10 equal to 1,321 ringgit and 55 cent in bracket 1 minus in bracket 1 plus 0.0412 over 12 minus the power of 10 and divided by 0.0412 over 12. So the final answer is 12,989 ringgit and 34 cent.